Go to Layer menu and New Layer. Go to the Gradient tool, create a basic gradient. You can change the colour if you wish. Go to the Move tool and then go to Layer and New Pattern Layer from Selection. Resize the design. Also you can go up to the Mirror and set to On. I would suggest remove the pixel layer, so just delete that. So with the pattern layer selected, go up to a Layer and Duplicate Linked. And resize and rotate that. The content is linked, the rotation and scale is not. And repeat that, so Layer and Duplicate Linked. Now you see you've got multiple layers there. You can go over to the Layers blending modes and just run through there, and they're also linked, so they all change. So maybe go for difference or darken, etc. And you can still modify that. Also what you can do, you can apply filters. You can apply Mirror, Deform, and I'm just going to go for Filters, Distort and Deform. Set to Similarity, add some handles and drag. And as you do that, you'll notice all the colours, they'll change. Once you're happy with your design, click Apply. So, do you think this technique is of interest? I think it's a great way of creating some very interesting combinations of pattern layers, all linked. Please put in the comments below what you think. Also, a dislike or like, always appreciated either way. Thank you much.